Hey, my name is Ed Morton, down here at Baytown Community Kia, here in Baytown, Texas. I wanted to show you the 2020 Kia Sorento. This is an EX trim level, wrapped in the everlasting silver with the 19-inch rims. They are painted in the black. This is a keyless entry, keyless start. It's going to be a V6 on this car. Open the door and show you. You have full stop cruise control, lane keeping assist, lane departure assist, safe exit assist. It also has a smart lift gate on it. You don't have to to actually touch it just as I did. You can actually just walk up to it and it will go down by itself. I'll lay the third row down. You've got plenty of room in the back. The second row can also lay down along with the other side as well. Smart lift gate. You see that it is leather in this trim level. Panoramic sunroof. Roof rails. This is a beautiful touring car. Again, my name is Ed Morton, down here at Baytown Community Kia, where everything we do is centered around you.